Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Abdul Wahab, Associate Professor, Department of Pharmacy, Quat University of Science and Technology. My subject is Community Pharmacy, and the code for this subject is PHR 518. And our today topic is control of drug abuse and drug misuse. As these two terms, drug abuse and drug misuse, mostly people use interchangeably. The people are confused about these two terms, drug abuse and drug misuse. They consider these two terms same, but actually these two terms are not same. There is a difference between drug abuse and drug misuse. So as you can see over here in the course outline for the today topic, control of drug abuse and drug misuse. So under the umbrella of this title, we will discuss all about these subtitles like drug abuse, alcoholism, drug addiction, harmful effects of drug addiction, treatment of addiction, control of abuse of drug, misuse of medication, control of misuse of medication. Drug abuse. How can we define drug abuse? So before going to define drug abuse, as you know, prescription medication have many beneficial effects when used under proper medical supervision. They can help us live longer, healthier lives, but these same medications have the potential to produce dangerous side effects and deadly outcomes, especially when misused or abused. Because of these potential for harm, prescription medications should be used precisely as prescribed and only by the person for whom they are intended, for whom they are prescribed. So how can we define drug abuse? As you can see over here, the use of a drug for a purpose other than that for which it is normally prescribed or recommended is called drug abuse. Or we can also define the drug abuse, the consumption of the drug without medical authorization. Without medical authorization that has the capacity to alter the mode or behavior is called drug abuse. But according to FDA, the Food and Drug Administration, when a person takes a prescription drug to get a pleasant or euphoric feeling, means to get high, especially at higher doses than prescribed, that is an example of drug abuse. We can say it is also drug abuse according to FDA. Sorry. Here is the example of drug abuse: Hydralin cough syrup. Hydralin cough syrup. Using Hydralin cough syrup for causing sedation at night. It is a drug abuse because Hydralin cough syrup is not for the sedation purpose. It is not for inducing sleep at night. It is for the coughing purpose. If anybody or patient uses Hydralin cough syrup for the sedation purpose, for inducing sleep at night, then it is a abuse of drug. Similarly, drinking alcohol in moderation in certain setting is not considered drug abuse, while drinking a bottle of alcohol at night is drug abuse. Drinking a bottle of alcohol at night is drug abuse. Misuse of drug. How can we define misuse of drug? Drug misuse is using the drug in any way other than its prescribed or intended use. Other than its prescribed or intended use, it is called misuse of drug. Or we can also define the misuse of drug. Drug misuse is the use of drug that is not meant to help your illness or any other condition for which you are going to use any medicine. For example, if a person is sick and he uses wrong medications, then it is a drug misuse. For example, as you can see over here, paracetamol. Using paracetamol for stomach pain is a drug misuse. No doubt, paracetamol is a painkiller. It is an analgesic drug, but not for the stomach pain. But if patient uses or anybody uses paracetamol for the stomach pain, then it is a drug misuse. Drug misuse, because paracetamol is not for the stomach pain. According to Berry, Berry had defined misuse of drug. He has given 10 points for the clarification the term of drug misuse. So what Berry says, so according to Berry, our dosage of any medication is a misuse of drug. For example, taking more than the prescribed number of doses in any one day. In any one day, if doctor prescribes, if physician prescribes any medicine for 4 times a day, and the patient takes that medication instead of 5 times a day, then it is a misuse of drug according to Berry. Similarly, taking more than the prescribed dose at any one administration. Taking more than the prescribed dose at any one administration. Similarly, taking the same medication from 2 or more different bottles simultaneously. Underdosage, as you can see what is underdosage, is also misuse of drug according to Berry. For example, taking less than the prescribed dose at any one administration, omitting 1 or more doses, discontinuing the drug before the prescribed duration of time. Taking a dose at different time if a time has been specified in the directions. Using the wrong route of administration. Taking medication that has been discontinued. Taking outdated medication, expired medications. Taking someone else's medications. Taking 2 or more medications that are contraindicated therapeutically. Failing to get the prescription filled. Failing to understand how to use the administration unit properly, for example, inhaler. So these are the 10 points under which the Berry has defined the term misuse. So these are the 10 points. On the basis of these 10 points, we can easily understand the term misuse of drug. Mainly, misuse of medication is observed in ambulatory patients. Ambulatory patients. How how are ambulatory patients, or what is meant by ambulatory patients? Means non-hospitalized patients. Non-hospitalized patients who have the responsibility for obtaining their medication, storing it and taking it. Sometimes misuse occur due to patient misconception. Misconception. For example, the patient may think that if one tablet is good, if one tablet is good, then two will be even better. So in such types of situations, in such type of misconception, the patient takes two tablets instead of one tablet. The patient thinks that two tablets will do better instead of one tablet. So sometimes such type of misconception leads toward misuse of drug. Reasons of misuse of drug. So there are different reasons for misuse of drug. If medication is not working, so such type of reason, so due to such type of reason, the patient discontinues the medication, and such type of discontinuation leads to word misuse of drug. If medication is causing side effects, if condition improves, if patient receive negative information about the medication, if cost of medication is too high, if patient is confused about how to take the medication. So these are the reasons which leads toward misuse of drug. Difference between drug abuse and misuse. In drug abuse, the use of drug abuse is mostly intentionally, deliberately, while in drug misuse, the use may be unintentional. According to the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, the key difference between drug abuse and drug misuse is the individual's intention when taking the drug. Role of pharmacist in controlling the misuse of drug. It is the responsibility of the pharmacist to dispense prescription accurately, to provide medication counseling, and to answer all those questions which are concerned to the patient. The pharmacist should guide the patient about the dose of the drug, correct route of administration, and undesirable effects of drug if taken in high doses. The pharmacist must play the role of health advisor to provide advice to the patient on non-prescription drugs. The pharmacist must serve as a health educator to the community. The pharmacist, being expert of medicine, should properly brief the physician about the indications, contraindication, dose, route of administration, side effects of drug, etc. So it was all about the drug misuse and drug abuse. Inshallah, we will discuss in detail about the drug abuse in our coming lectures. So thank you all. Inshallah, we will meet again. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.